Hi students, welcome to VS Virtual Classes. In today's class, the circle chapter is continued. So we'll see the problem here. A chord of circle is equal to the radius of the circle. Find the angle subtended by the chord at a point on the minor arc and also at a point on the major arc. So this is the problem for us. So in order to solve this problem, let us have a brief idea on major and minor arc. So students, as you all know, major and minor arcs are the area where minor arc can be associated with angles less than 180 degree and major arc is associated with an angles greater than 180 degree in the circle. So this is major and minor arcs. Now we have a problem containing minor arc or a chord containing minor arc and major arcs. We need to find the angle subtended upon the minor arcs and major arcs. So now in triangle AOB, we have in triangle AOB we have OB equals to OA or OA equals to OB, where these part are called the radius. In this figure we have OA equals to OB as a radius. Therefore AB is equal to OA equals to OB, where OB consists of OA part and OB part. So because it is a chord of a circle, so therefore we have a figure on the screen over here. Now I'll draw a circle and a circular quadrilateral which consists of a chord and angle subtended upon the minor arcs and major arcs. So we have the total figure on the screen over here. Now what I'll do is I will solve this problem. Now in the solution part, what I have is in triangle AOAB, where I have earlier mentioned OA is equal to OB, which is the part of radius. It is the radius part of this particular circle. Now AB is equal to OA equals to OB. So as I have earlier said that because the chord of a circle is equal to radius of a circles, therefore angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Angle AOB is equal to 60 degree for us. Now in triangle OAB represents an equilateral triangle because a chord of a circle is equal to the radius of the circle. So for this, what I'll do is each interior angle of this triangle will be of 60 degrees. So therefore I have mentioned that angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. I repeat once again, since AB is equal to OA is equal to OB, because chord of a circle is equal to radius of circle. For that purpose, this AB is equal to OA equals to OB, where triangle OAB is an equilateral triangle. Therefore each interior angle of this triangle will be of 60 degree. So angle AOB is equal to 60 degree. Now what I'll do is I'll calculate angle ACB, where ACB is the half of the angle AOB, half the angle AOB. Therefore half into AOB is equal to half into 60 degrees. Okay, half into 60 degrees. Now it is understood that angle ACB is equal to 30 degree. Half of 60 degrees, 30 degree. Now what I'll do is, in cyclic quadrilateral, ACBD, angle ACB plus ABD should be equal to 180 degrees, which are the opposite angles in a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, angle ACB plus ADB is equal to 180 degree, where angle ADB is equal to 180 degree minus of 30 degree, which I have the answer is 150 degree. ACB what I have is ACB is 30 degree, so ACB is shifted to right hand side, therefore 180 degree minus 30 degree. Now finally angle ADB is 150 degrees. Therefore, the angle subtended by this chord at a point on the major arc and the minor arc are 30 degree and 150 degree respectively. So this is the problem for this day, my dear friends. Plus in the next class we will be discussing some more beautiful problems. Thank you.